baby, show me.
Welcome back to Shopaholics AM PM. This is the Mi Band 4 which I recently unboxed, and check it out. This is a custom watch face which I recently installed on the band, and there are like thousands of them available online, and I'll show you today how you can install one on your Mi Band 4. So let's get straight to the video. So guys, to install custom watch faces on your Mi Band 4, first of all you have to visit this website called amazfitwatchfaces.com. Then you have to go to Mi Band 4, click on browse, and we have 742 fresh watch faces, and these are all added by user. You can add your own watch face. There's the whole process how you can create your own watch face on mi.com. I'll leave the link down in the description, and you even have the steps if you want to take a closer look. These are for Android phones, but I'm going to show you how you can download and add watch faces through your iPhone, which is a much difficult task. Through Android phone it's quite easy. So let's get straight. First of all, let's download a watch face. I'm going to download the Spider-Man one. And there we go, we have it. Now all you have to do is share this watch face to your iPhone through AirDrop. So I'll just share it and be back. So guys, the next step is you have to download this app called Amaze Tools on your iPhone. Then you have to pair your Mi Band 4 like using traditional Bluetooth pairing. Then you have to transfer that file we have downloaded to your iPhone. You can use ShareIt, Zender, or File Manager, whatever. I am using AirDrop, which is much easier. Now I'm gonna install it, and now the watch face is into syncing process. Now I'm gonna directly show you when it gets installed. There you have it guys, a custom watch face on your Mi Band 4, which you won't find on the Mi Fit app. And if you would have noticed, there were like thousands of 26,000 watch faces on that website called amazfitwatchfaces.com. There were like 700 watch faces for Mi Band 4. I believe hundreds of them get uploaded every day because Mi Band 4 was recently launched, and you can create and upload your own watch face so other can use it. So basically you have unlimited options. And there you go guys, that's how you download a custom watch face if you got an iPhone. And the process is much more simple if you got an Android phone. I leave the whole process link in the description down below. So guys, that's it for today, and like and share this video and subscribe to my channel Shopaholics AM PM. Soon I'll be comparing this Mi Band 4 with the Samsung Galaxy Fit E Honor Band 4, and we'll see which is the best budget fitness band currently in the market, and many more videos on Mi Band 4. So stay tuned and see you soon. Peace.
I'm marching till it's over.